gentlemen, are y'all ready to get back to some live entertainment? Yeah, I am very proud and honored to have all these artists that are here tonight. And I'm especially honored to have this group here because they are dope as fuck, man. And I'm very excited to share them with you. This is my girl, Crystal Lynn, and this is her boy, Mr. Esteban in the back. And you know what? These guys are an awesome power couple, just like me and my girl. And we love doing this shit. This is our life. This is our music. This is what we do. This is fucking awesome. And all I want you guys to do out there is just enjoy yourselves and give it up for the one and the only Burque Soul.
What's up, Burque? How you feeling?
Good afternoon.
You know we gotta give it for that familia vibe. Seeing all these youngsters out here.
Check.
Love it. The gente. All these people kicking it in the South Valley. That's what's up.
Check.
Yeah, I can turn it down on my amp.
All right.
Hold on. I can turn it down. Can I get a little bit of me in there?
While he sets up his uke, I'm gonna just give you a little straight up poem. We're not gonna do this song, but the beginning of the song has a lot of meaning to me because I love the gente, I love New Mexico, I love my people. From the day we were born, we're given the challenge of seeking who we are. Divided by the dark, but we shine in the dark if we give fire to our light. We are the people of the struggle, desert dwellers, survivors. We have to ignite the light of our tradition and connect back to the roots of our people and breathe life into our brethren. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let your light shine, seize the day. Let your light shine bright for a better day. Let your light shine, seize the day. Let your light shine bright for a better day. I talked to a friend yesterday. I told her how I felt about the world today. I said we're losing our connection with everyone. Said this generation hardly ever sees the sun. It's time we unite. The love that we share never revive. Spread the love everywhere, all that we fight. For the love and the care of our brothers and sisters in the world that we share. Keep fighting for your right to love. Keep fighting for your right to love. Keep fighting for your right to love. To love. Yeah, go away.
Stand or fall and love them through all the prevails. When all else fails, so love them through it all. I say just love them through it all. We disconnect and neglected, more divided than ever. Eternal love from above will always keep us together. We're on a mission to make love our tradition. We're human family, not in a family tradition. It's time that we listen to the door of our being and change the outcome of this world that we're seeing.
Keep fighting for your right to love. Keep fighting for your right to love.
Keep fighting for your right to love.
Say it again. I love life in the side of the moon. Connected with my spirit, I can light up a room. And when the music plays, it really takes me away. I'm a free love, I bless everything. Love, it starts with one. It starts with love. It starts with something. Gotta love it. Everything that you are, you put it in the sun like a star. You're a perfect creation. Everything on your face. It's got tracing. People the brothers, the beauty and the sisters and brothers. We're human family, loving each other how it's supposed to be. So be free and let your light shine. Connect your body, spirit, and mind. Let your light shine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let your light shine.
Let your light
Oh
shine.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, good to be out here on a cloudy day. It's nice and cool, so that's always a good thing. We are so glad to be out here, man. It's nice. Be in the South Valley right now. It's been a while since we've been down here. Play down here.
Well, I'm down here all the time.
Oh,
I
we'll
live up
play.
the road.
We play down here. Yeah, definitely.
We practice over here. So this song I wrote about Burque because I love it so much. And I wrote it driving back when the sun was going up. And I'm one of those people who loves Burque so much. If you talk bad about Burque, we're going to have some real problems. So this is a diamond in the rough. And to me, when people don't love it, good for you. Stay out. Because this is made for Burqueños and for the people who will love it and cherish our culture here. And of course I had to make it sexy because how could you not? It's Burque. Early morning, the sky seemed blue. Driving down the hill, I'm taken by you. My breath is aching when I see the light shining through. They say you're damaged, I can see how it's true. You take me to a place called home, called home. You take me to a place called home, and I'm home with you. How can you be forgotten when you're cultured and free? Your cause is gorgeous as the beautiful sea. A piece of art sculpted and painted by He who created the heavens and the world that we see. You take me to a place called home, called home. You take me to a place called home, and I'm home with you. Take me to a place called home, called home. You take me to a place called home, and I'm home with you. Right there, first on yeah. You know I rock it on the mic for my people. Nuevo Mexicana style, yeah, that's my stilo. We go back to the land of the Mexica, seeking our traditions from Aztlán to the Inca. I love my people, it's ingrained in my heart. that village mindset. That's how we made it from the start. Only seeing beauty in my brothers and my sisters. Prayers to the Creator so we understand our ancestors. I woke up in this holy place and I felt the sunrise as it warms my face. It teaches me to show my people warm embrace so we can leave tracks when we walk, when we leave this place. Yeah. Take me to a place God's own, God's own. You take me to a place my heart owns, and I home with you. You take me to a place God's own, God's own. Let's bring it up and give him a little solo, Charles. Take me to a place my heart owns, and I home with you. That was beautiful. Gotta love Burque. I love all of New Mexico, but Burque, you know, I was born here, so I gotta love it more.
Yeah, we got all the Lolos out here, you know. I'm still waiting on mine. I don't know when it's gonna come, but it'll come one day.
He's waiting on a chola too. If you guys have any references, he's been looking for a chola for a while. He even wrote this little rola for them. The rola for the chola. Tell me what you're feeling, Charles.
That's how I'm feeling.
You know any beautiful hyenas? A little cruise, baby.
Today's not Sunday, but that's when we cruise.
When you're looking with like a sugar star, down in the nexus, angel child,
Chola con vida.
same as a mama and abuelita. She keeps it real, never a face. The blinders and groups for days and days. Get you like a vola. Well, I'm under her spell, I'm in love with that woo. A classy chola's what I need. Cruise on a Sunday, bumping OT. Riding the rock fly on Goldie. Together we run these streets. When I need a chola, I need a chingona.
Real chingona.
You know I'd do anything for a kiss from those sweet chola lips. Bonita from your roots down to your Cortez. I love when you tell me I how it is. I don't mind if you're a little crazy, cause vida loca, baby, got me asking, girl, ¿qué pasó? Let me be your only cholo, girl. Classy chola is what I need. Shoes on a Sunday, bumping.
There somewhere, so if you see her, send her my way.
Yeah, he really needs her.
Thank you guys.
He really needs her.
I'm gonna get some water, drink some water, guys.
Yeah, it's a little dehydrating up here, but I'm glad that we have some cloud cover today. That was a blessing from the skies. Give him a little something, Greg.
This one's called 3 a.m. So, I'm gonna try it again.
Yeah, that was just to check if everybody's ready.
It's 3 a.m. and my heart still hurts. You're living life when I move still hurt. Lie in bed, so not be up and you'll rest your head. I'm waiting for the sun, same one you were under that long ago. I'm waiting for the sun, same one you were kissed by that long ago. I said lie between you and me. If only help me see your love clearly. I never thought my heart could feel this pain. But sunshine comes always after the rain. I'm waiting for the sun to come, same one you were under that long ago. I'm waiting for the sun, same one you were kissed by that long ago. Go fly and let your spirit soar. So you'll be back and we will want no more. I'm waiting for the sun to come, same one you were under that long ago. I'm waiting for the sun to come, same one you were kissed by that long ago. waiting for the sun to come. Same when you were under that long ago. I'm waiting for the sun to come. Same when you were kissed by that long ago. Come on, one more time, let's go. 3 a.m. and my heart still hurts. Almost forgot that one.
All right, we got some more for you. All right.
His name is Kitty. Thank you for calling him.
All right, we're just seeing how much time we have to bless you with some more music. Okay, we got a few more for you.
Yes, thank you for naming him. Because we saw him from over there. That dog looks like Kitty.
Of course, I wrote this song about the Burque vibe. Gotta bring that love in. Burque so got that song to make you feel alright. Make you kick back in your chair and make you feel alright. Lay that song on repeat to make you feel it's fine. Take you away in the beat, we're about to blow your mind. I said forget about the pain, forget about the rain. We all have those days, so let's escape the pain. Find ourselves in this time, this moment in time. It's so gathered on to make you feel alright. Make you kick back in your chair and make you feel alright. Lay that song on repeat to make you feel it's fine. Take you away in the beat, we're about to blow your mind. I said forget about the pain, forget about the rain. We all have those days, so let's escape the pain. Find ourselves in this time, this moment in time. She never cried like she did today. It was like cleansing out her soul and reaching out for another way. She feels low, she can't deserve. Praying out that this is what she needed to learn. And draw her closer to where she's supposed to be. Hoping meditation has power to set her free. Her mind's racing, she's lose control. She feels her heart crying out to connect her soul. Saying
feel alright.
Kick back in your chair and make you feel alright.
Feel alright. Yeah.
Play that song on repeat to make you feel it's fine.
Feel it's fine.
Take you away in the beat with that to blow your mind.
To blow your mind.
I said forget about the pain, forget about the rain. We all had those days, so let's escape the pain. Find ourselves in this time, this moment in time. Lost my voice at the end there. Come on. Choked on my own saliva, sorry. That should have been a better ending. Hey, it happens to the best of us.
Sounds so good. Thank you.
We always invite our brothers and sisters up for this one.
Yeah, you know we like to show love here in this city, in this community. We want to thank everybody that's coming out today. Thank all the sponsors that pulled up for this event and all the people that put it on. You know, much love.
Yeah, we got love for you.
Yeah. Well, I got love.
I got love.
Well, I got love.
I got love.
I got love.
I got love.
I got love. I got love for all my family. I got love for all my friends. I got love for you and me. I got love to the end. Yeah. I got love.
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 I got love, yeah. Whoa. I got love, it's my religion, it's my therapy. Never hate, oh, but something we see differently. Gotta love yourself, that's the only way you'll be free. It's time to face this reality. I feel like there's no time to waste. In this world we're losing trace of how to live with love and grace. But it's time to go face to face. Stick together when the times get rough. Friends and family is just enough. A richness in life that stands above. But never purpose, all we got is love. I got love.
I got love.
Show some love right here to my homie.
I got love.
Thank you for coming out, yo.
I
Show
got
us some
love.
love.
Hey, what's up,
Give
bro?
us that, yeah.
Hey, look, I feel like the one, facing the sun, I'll be second to none. Never defeated, they bleeding the strong where I'm from. I might weigh a ton, it don't bother me none. Feel like the one through my highs and lows. Now I feel like the one top of life I chose on my Zion flow. Play rappers like Zion flow. Inside the all the God, we know, look. Never die, had to improvise. One of simple times to a simple line. Y'all stick your pride on that mama time. Missing Cobra Kai, highly classified. The revolution ain't televised. 320 live, now hard to find. Now I minimize this, so you really ride. In and out, got you for Caroline. Big headed that shine in the seats beside shake studio style. Divide the powers, I'm homies that would have switch it up. But they want us on the south, wanna put us on trailer. Intertwined off the outcome. How come it's outgun or outrun? Native tongue, state of mind, but I need to know whenever it is already assumed that I'm down one. This just got suckers, I don't know any better. Vendettas and childhood trouble. Like Bogatanas, I owe them my thanks. Investing in silence and sex from the lengths. Memory bank, shift of its lengths. Throwing their faces in love in the safe states. EC lace, I'm airing the place. Y'all copy the pace and resist the next safe. Check it. Warrior rhetoric, flexing the pen on this songwriters assembling me. I'm leaving hearts trembling, dancing and evident. They see not here to be kings. I'm repping the St. Clair, Emblem, rappers, a regiment, parties with three like, hey yo, Burque song, let's go with some noise right now, hey.
I got love. I got love. I got love.
Said I got love.
I got love.
I got
love.
You say we got so much love, we can't even handle it. And if you come from Burque, you might not even stand it. But we have so much fun, and we're glad that you're playing it with us. And we're doing this, and we're having so much fun with all of it. And we got a great after party coming right after this. And we hope that you have so much fun with us, with all of your kids. Bring them to the pool and get cool and do what we do. Rolling down that Burque street with all my homies go. Yeah, we having fun. We keep on under the sun. We so glad the clouds came out and giving us all the things that we love. Yeah, we having the time of our lives. With Burque soul on my side. We having the people that doing it because we like. Yeah, I got love.
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 Let me tell you what kind of love I got.
Yeah, man.
Check this out. I got love for my people, humanity, my kind, my love, it flows equal.
Yeah.
And I got love that goes deeper. See her there hurting, it flows out to reach her.
Tell her.
And I got love that doesn't see. Ever giving love, this love, it comes free. And I got love that gives life. Blinded by the darkness, it's love that gives sight.
I got love.
I got love.
I got love. I got love.
I got love.
Oh, I got love. Albuquerque, New Mexico, give it up for the one and the only Burque Soul!
Thank you for having us. We love you, Burque. We love you, Nuevo Mexico.
Oh my goodness gracious! Give it up for Burque Soul, ladies and gentlemen! Holy shit! All right, stick around, man. Thank you. You guys are fucking amazing. Give me love. She got love. I got love. This is the shit right here. I didn't even know what I was singing. I was just feeling that shit. God damn. You guys are the shits, bro.
That's the point.
Much love, bro. Much fucking love. Man, Burque Soul in the house. We got one more great, extraordinary act coming up for you next after this. Y'all grab your seats. Grab something good to eat, grab a good drink, because Mr. Mickey Cruz is coming up to the stage next.